you say and you don't really want me to, and you get upset. Well, today I'll be getting punished for everything I've done, okay? So if you want to see me get punished, watch on. Oh my god, it's food! No singing. Singing is booby trapped. Listen.